Alright, I just had this OKIOCAM little box delivered to my room at Urbandale High School. Pretty exciting. At Urbandale High School you just get random gifts that are delivered to you. So thought I'd do an unboxing here and see what's happening. There's some getting started directions right on the back side. Shows you everything you can do with it. So let's open it up. Ooh, it's so exciting. And we got a pack of stuff. And don't eat this. Throw that away. Little directions here. Quick start. And basically how to use with Google Meet, how to use with Microsoft Teams, how to use with Skype, how to use FaceTime on Mac, with Zoom, Windows Camera app, QuickTime Player on Mac, Chromebook Camera app. This is just how to use it on everything else that you might use. Flipgrid, Seesaw, that's it. Discord's not in here, and that's what I'm going to use it with. So, okay. So if you look on here, it says store and use. So right now it's in the store position. So if you try to get this out, you can pop it out and you can turn it over here and put it in the use position probably. I'm just going to not do that quite yet. Let's see. This thing, cool. Okay, so you got a whole little platform. And then this, let's see, folds out like that, I guess. You can undo your cord. All right. You can pop it, I guess. Pop the cord into these little slots here, I guess. Camera. Looks like you can maybe put that into a screw type camera on a tripod maybe. I don't know if this whole little thing comes off or not. But no matter what, you can just screw it on like this, I guess, or something. Someone will have to probably figure that out, how that, I don't know if that little thing comes off or not. Okay, and you can take this and you can put it in right there in that slot. Put it like this. Okay, and you should just be able to plug it in. USB. You don't really actually need any software, I don't think, for this, for the computer. You just need to actually have some kind of an app. So a photo booth or something that uses like Zoom or whatever that needs a camera. And then you can just go to that certain page in here and it'll tell you how to actually hook the camera up. Discord, I think, should probably just find it. Let's see, I'll go into a stream here. Turn on the video. Yep, there it is. There it is. So, let's see, I guess I could. There's buttons on the top here. There's buttons on the top, and the gray button is the autofocus and whiteness and things like that. So the other two buttons, I think, don't really do anything at this time. I think you can go online and go to OKIOCAM/apps or something, and there's some apps you can actually put on your computer, and then I think you can assign those buttons to some kind of functionality, but right now they don't do anything. So you could put your piece of paper on here or something, and you could just write equations, I guess, or something. And this is interesting. If you look I'm streaming on Discord here, it'll be backwards on here, but and I don't know if that does it on Zoom or some other things too, but you don't have to ever worry about that because that's what you see, but anybody seeing the stream will actually see it written correctly. So you could just do this, or I think you can just pivot. Yeah, you can just pivot and you can see whatever. You can just use it for something in the room. Does it pivot around this way? Or am I going to break it? Not sure it really spins that way. You can spin it around this way. And I guess you just have to maybe move it around like this. Okay, that's pretty cool. Thank you, Urbandale High School, for the random gift today. For those of you not working at Urbandale, keep trying. Keep trying. We'll, if you're worth it, we'll hire you someday, and then you can get all these cool cool things as well. That's how you use your OKIOCAM little swivel cam. Pretty nice.